Welcome back to the channel OJ Marketing, and in today's video I'm going to be giving you a complete tutorial on how you could create stunning AI content. And by content I actually mean some cool videos just by utilizing a very cool AI called the Kaiber AI. This is an amazing AI tool that you can use for video generation right now. You could go into generating videos from your images, from your text prompts, from even audios right there, and also other videos right now. As you can see, you could go into discovering the artist within you. You could turn your text, your videos, your photos, and musics into stunning videos with our advanced AI generation engine. That's absolutely cool right now. If you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see more details about this platform right here, such as the audio reactivity, the transformation option, and you can actually do see right here that you could go into creating flipbooks and also motion videos right now with the platform. You could actually go into joining the creative revolution and utilize this AI tool to create stunning content. Now guys, you could go into checking out the pricing structure of this AI because it's not absolutely free, but you can gain access to a free trial plan right now that you could go into utilizing. But once you do click on pricing, you will be brought to a page such as this that is actually going to go into showing you more about the pricing structure, such as the Explorer plan, the Pro plan, and also the Artist plan. You can see features of each plan right there and the corresponding amount which is actually charged for each of those plans. As you can see, the $5 is for the Explorer plan per month, $10 per month for the Pro plan, and $25 per month for the Artist plan. And just below that, you can see the features of those plans right there. You can actually go on to sign up for anyone that is suitable to you. You can actually sign up for free using your email address and go on to sign up to this particular platform. If you do come onto this gallery section, you'll be able to see stunning videos that were created with the help of this AI tool. If you want to just simply check how cool those videos are, just simply go to selecting the video right now. If you do select that, as you can see, the page is actually loading up right here, and you can see the prompt that was used in generating the video. Once this loads up successfully, you can go on to playing that particular video and seeing how cool the video actually looks like. In the gallery section, that's where you could see a lot of content that was created by people that utilize this platform right there. So those are actually contents created by people utilizing this platform, and you can just simply check how cool those contents are. So take a look at this right here. This is a cool video that was generated with the help of this AI tool called the Kaiber AI. So as you can see, the video is still loading through, but let me just simply play this for you and you can actually see how cool it is. If I do go into upscaling it, you can see how easy and simple it is to create videos on this platform and how cool the video looks like. So I'm going to walk you through how to create one like this. So guys, once you're actually back on this platform right here, you want to just simply register for an account. Like I said earlier, if you do register for an account, you will be brought to a page where you can just simply see some details like this. You can actually see that you have tokens, and it's these tokens you are going to be utilizing to generate cool images or videos right there. And you can just simply come right here, click on create video. If you do click on create video, you'll be brought to this page and you can go on to creating a flipbook. You could create a motion video or a transformation video right now. So I'm going to select the motion right here. If I just select motion right now, I can actually go on to uploading an image that I want to convert to a video from this platform. I can go on to uploading an audio that I want to convert to a video, and you can see right here that I need to go onto the Pro plan, upgrading my account to the Pro plan before I can do that on this platform. But you can also go on to uploading a video that you want to just simply transform, maybe utilizing something similar to this right here. As you can see how cool that actually is right now. So if I do go on to this section that I want to just simply utilize a simple text prompt to generate a video, I'm just going to click on that right now, and I just simply need to go on to inserting my subject. And I already have a subject prepared right now that I want to utilize, but you can see right here that for my prompt is actually split into two, where I need to insert my subject and also the style of my video. But that's actually simple right here because this platform also helps us to go on to inserting or showing us how to write that. You can see right here, if I do add in something like enchanted forest, if we actually selected that, and you can see right here that that is actually the prompt for that section. You could go on to selecting other prompt right here for that section right there. So right now guys, if I do come right here and paste in the prompt I have, which is a futuristic cyberpunk spaceship, close up, and a soldier walking out. So this is the prompt I want to utilize right now. For the style, you can also see a lot of cool styles right here, like the oil painting, the watercolor right here. You can see the illustration, the art nouveau, the cinematic, and a lot more cool stuff right now. You can actually go into checking out other cool and amazing styles right now that you can just simply go into leveraging. So if I want to just simply leverage this cinematic style right now, I'm going to leave that as it is right here, and I'm just going to come onto this section, click on video settings. That is the next phase, and for this next phase right here, as you can see, I can just simply go into increasing the duration of the video, or I can reduce that to my preference right here. So I'm just going to reduce or take that to about maybe 10 seconds right here, and the duration of the video actually depends on how much tokens will be used right now from your tokens left. So right now guys, you can see that I need to go pro to actually generate videos for up to 4 minutes. So if I do go on to upgrading my account, I can just simply generate videos up to 4 minutes. You can see right here, this section is for the aspect ratio. You can select any aspect ratio suitable to you. I'm going to select the landscape aspect ratio. This evolve section right here, you can go on to editing that, and you can see right here that the lower the evolve value, the more stable the video will be. The higher the evolve value, the more wild the video will be. So I'm going to leave that as it is right here on 4, but you can just simply increase that to something like 10 and reduce that to 0, but I'm going to leave that on 4 right now. So right here, once you've done that right now, you can actually do see the cost right here is actually going to take me about 40 credit tokens. So I can just simply reduce the duration of the video. Maybe I want to take that to about 7 seconds. You can actually do see the cost right here. So I can just simply click on generate previews, and if I do that right now, it's going to go on to generating previews of how the video is actually going to go on to looking like, and I can just simply select any frame of my choice that I want to just simply utilize for my video right now once the preview actually load up. So you can see right here that the preview is actually loading up right now. You can see that these are actually different spaceships right here. I can just simply go into selecting, and maybe I actually don't want to select this. As you can see, if I do select that, that will actually be added to my scenes right here. This is the one I actually did select. You can download that right now based on your preference. You can actually do go on to selecting that, and after selecting that right there, you could just simply click on generate video or create video. As you can see right now, it's actually going to go on to preparing my video for me, and you can see the prompt right here that was used. You can see the duration of the video, the aspect ratio, where you could go on to opening in prompt editor, or you could actually go on to viewing in my videos. That is to actually check the video that will be generated in your video section. That shows the list of videos you've been able to create with this platform. But you can see right here, it's actually crafting out my masterpiece. It's currently at 8% completed. Once it gets to 100%, my video will actually be generated right now. So I'm going to pause the video until that is actually done. So guys, the video has successfully been generated right now, and here's the video right here. So I can just simply go on to opening this right now, and you can see how cool the video actually goes on to looking like right there. And it created this just utilizing that simple prompt I did use right now. So you can actually come right here, you could go on to downloading the video right now, or you could actually do go on to checking the picture in picture. You could also go on to checking out the playback speed right here. But basically guys, you just want to just simply take a look at how cool that content actually is right now, and you could just simply go on to generating other cool and amazing videos with this platform. So basically that's how simple it is to go on to creating cool content with the help of this platform called Kaiber AI. And I do hope the video was helpful. If yes, do hit the like button to the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notification bell on all. Thank you all for watching. See you all in my next video guys, and goodbye.